Update 1 on Tropical Storm Kilo, a 40 mile per hour tropical storm with a pressure of 1004 millibars, moving west-northwest at 16 miles per hour in the central Pacific. Its position 12.7 degrees north, 151.7 degrees west, well to the southeast of Hawaii at 3 p.m. UTC on August 21st. The storm is expected to move towards the west-northwest, strengthening the whole time, I expect, and then it will turn towards the north and could develop into a rather significant hurricane as it approaches the westernmost main islands of Hawaii, where it could possibly make landfall, though of course possibly not. We won't know yet until a few days have passed, but certainly the westernmost islands of Hawaii, but I'd say the whole of the Hawaiian Islands should be monitoring the progress of this storm as it progresses south of the islands in the next 48 hours or so. Sea surface temperatures around the storm are fairly warm right now, around 29, maybe even 30 degrees Celsius just to the south of Kilo, and warm waters will remain all the way to the Hawaiian Islands and beyond, actually, 26 degrees extending to the north of the islands. Looking at wind shear, it's very high over Hawaii, but right now over Kilo it's not too bad, high amounts to the south, but towards the west-northwest where it's headed, it's not looking too bad. The storm is rather broad at this moment, some clouds associated with Kilo extending almost as far as the big island of Hawaii, but not quite, but looking good at the moment with a big flare-up of thunderstorms and heavy rainfall and other bad stuff from Kilo. But there it is, moving towards the west-northwest right now. I'm not sure exactly what it's doing, but sort of maintaining itself at this time. It's certainly flared up in the past few hours. A dry air you can see towards the north and west of the storm there, and I'm struggling to see exactly where the centre of the storm is, but I think it's sort of on the right hand side of Kilo there, so we'll see what happens in terms of possible development of an eye or anything in the future, but that may not be for a while. Looking at the models here, the HWRF has a rather sudden bout of intensification and becoming a Category 3 storm as it heads towards the northeast, with heavy rainfall associated with the storm there in the next 5 days. That's only one model, others say different things. Around the world, we've got a lot of things going on right now. Goni, a Category 2 typhoon over the Philippines. Atsani, a Category 3 near the Japanese Ogasawara Islands. Tropical Depression 4 in the Central Pacific as well is going to be heading towards the north by the looks of things. Of course, Kilo, 95E in the Eastern Pacific, and of course Hurricane Danny and Tropical and Invest 97L in the Atlantic. But of course, this is the Force 13 website. You can visit the tracker, force13.com/tracker, to see that map. 55 tropical storms have formed so far in 2015. Kilo is number 55. 30 of those have gone on to become Category 1 hurricanes or their equivalents around the world, with winds of 74 miles per hour or higher, and 20 have gone on to become Category 3 storms with winds of 115 miles per hour or higher. That's only one away from the whole of the year 2010, considering we're in the last week of August. Not even that quite. You can also visit Force 13 on any of our outlets. The website, force13.com, the main place to be for all the going on around the world, storm-wise. You can also follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Search Force 13 on any of those. And you can also add me personally on Skype, add Fool13 for tropical weather chat and to join our chat rooms to discuss the tropical situation with fellow storm trackers. You can also join our live team on there too, on our live event this evening at 11 p.m. UTC, that's 7 p.m. Eastern Time in Hawaii. I think that's going to be around early afternoon, I'm not sure exactly what time, on August 21st. We'll post out a link on the Facebook page and on Twitter as well, closer to the time. That's all for now.